up, you guys? Today is date day / night. I'm so excited. My baby is taking me out on a date right now. She has brought me to a botanical garden. Is it a botanical garden? A botanical garden, whatever. But I'm super excited. But look, y'all. My shirt, well, her shirt that I got on messed up her car seat. Do you guys want to see my shirt? If I can prop it up. Look how cool this is. This is her. This used to be her mama's shirt, and she gave it to her, and she don't even wear that bit. My baby looking like a little rock star a little bit. But yeah, we'll catch y'all in a little bit.
Plants. Look at that squirrel. Who often plants things. I would definitely come in here with a backpack filled with tiny moist towels. Cute guy. Okay, sir. See, disrupting the cute. That's what I was saying. Hi, buddy.
No, honestly, these birds don't seem like they're having it.
Hi, buddy.
But
I love you.
Buddy can say hi, buddy, hi, love, and I love you.
Hi, love.
And apparently, he likes to sing and dance, but she's not gonna.
The new Gunner album, apparently.
Girl, sing and dance, babe. He's very nice though. I love the quietness underneath a lot of foliage, a lot of plants and stuff.
The wild Alex
It's
and the
annoying.
free. No, it's not. We have an Alex out and about. Me with very unsteady hands. And guys, as you can see, she is wearing the fanny pack. Even though I did buy her a $120 purse for Christmas, she is still wearing a fanny pack. Her ass look good though. This is so pretty.
I don't think I can.
Yeah, you can. Go back in the sun. All the way.
It's about to go away, babe. Hold that one. Okay, look up. And kiss.
Okay, I decide when I give you a kiss. I want to give you a kiss. You're a joke.
The sun be. Oh my gosh, y'all. There's a wedding. Okay, it hasn't started yet. There's a wedding happening right now, and we have to exit this darn thing. This is awkward. Y'all see it back there?
I still have to exit this?
Yeah. Damn, I don't know, bitch. I'm nervous. Can we? Damn it, he turned his head. Can we? Okay. Yeah, he's saying it. You want to put your mask?
I don't even know where it is. It's like buried in my bag.
This is awkward. This is cute though.
Sorry.
Damn, we sorry. No, this way. This way. Congratulations to the folks.
That's just so cute.
That was so awkward.
Look at that. What are the guys cocktails?
Oh, let's go out for the wedding. Get some fiasco. But successful first date.
Yeah, look,
Thank you, baby, so much for bringing us.
Yeah, you're welcome, baby.
This is really
what
fun.
I'm feeling is like they should have done, like, exited it off earlier or something.
Yeah, I told us to leave earlier. Oh. Get out the way. And she's driving. You never not be a gentleman. A gentle
Push me
woman.
away from the door.
Yeah, because you gotta get out the way. We are off to our favorite restaurant, Noble Crest. We love Noble Crest. I hope it hits like it always does. We go like, usually, I think we've gone like 3 or 4 times, and it's always so good. It's like our special like date night type of restaurant. But it's our first time going casual. I'm excited. I'm excited to like drink. I'm excited to eat some good food. They gonna take care of us, but I'm definitely gonna pitch in because we about to be grubbing. We never not grub. Ain't that right? We never not grub at Noble Crest. But we'll catch y'all in there. Fuck boy. Fuck boy C. That shit.